battle lines being drawn. Nobody's right if everybody's wrong. Young people speaking their minds are getting so much resistance from behind. Time we stop. Hey, what's that sound? Everybody look what's going down. What a field day for the heat. 1,000 people in the street, singing songs and a carrying signs.
Guys, News Now, Preston, Nashville. Just thought I'd bring a little video to y'all and let y'all see. This is about 5 inches of snow right now. I say between 3.5 to 5 inches. I just thought I'd bring it to y'all and let y'all look at it and see how beautiful it is. Currently up here at work, we're closing due to the weather situation, but I just thought I would bring a video and let y'all see the beautiful snow. Oh, by the way, guys, this is West Memphis, Arkansas, by the way. As you can see, currently where I'm standing at, that snow is pretty deep. And then as you can see, we'll zoom out a little bit, guys. Oh, there we go. That's the interstate over there. Well, guys, y'all be careful. Be safe out there during this winter storm. Catch y'all on the next one. Peace. News Now, Preston, out.